Right, welcome back to Eddie's Old Iron. So, I've had a remount of the magneto, just altered the little bracket there, so actually magneto sits further in, into the drive coupling, and that's the problem I had last time with the start-up. Drive coupling had popped out, so I'm going to belt start this, so I'm going to put belt on here, get the patter running, and put you on time-lapse for a start-up, and I'll bring you back in a second. So there I go, put belt on, turning it over, the belt keeps falling off, trying to get it lined up a little bit. Eventually I'll get it lined up, but then it does keep coming off. But after about 15 minutes of actually getting this to actually spin over, it does eventually go. Unfortunately, at the end of this little bit of video, I forgot to press the record button, so there's a bit missing. There we go. I have the Ruston now running after a good long belt start. There she is. You can hear the air coming out of the compressor valve just there. I'm really chuffed with this. Brilliant. After I got the mag sorted out and the mountain coupling, that rattles the trolley that it's sitting on. If you like my little video on getting the Ruston running, please give us a thumbs up. And please don't forget to subscribe to see more builds. And thank you ever so much for watching. And I'm sure it's been worth the wait. And I'm really pleased. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.